If Zenless Zone Zero keeps crashing on mobile, especially on launch or during combat, this is the fix list that's actually working right now. Let's get you stable fast, and quick heads up. If this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss fixes like this. First, lower your in-game graphics before loading back in. Open Z settings and drop graphics to medium or low, then turn motion blur, depth of field, and bloom off. Mobile crashes are usually caused by memory spikes when effects load all at once. Next, fully restart the app and your phone. Don't just switch apps. Force close Zenless Zone Zero, reboot your device, then relaunch. Mobile memory gets clogged fast, and a clean restart fixes a ton of random crashes. Now, free up RAM, close every background app before launching. Especially browsers, screen recorders, music apps, and social media. If your phone runs low on memory during a scene load, the game will crash instantly. Check battery and performance modes. On iPhone, make sure low power mode is off. On Android, disable battery optimization or power saving for Zenless Zone Zero. Power throttling causes crashes when the game tries to load new areas or effects. If crashes happen right after updates, use the repair/verify option in the HoYoverse launcher, or reinstall on mobile if repair isn't available. Corrupted update files are a common cause of repeat crashes. Network matters too. Switch from weak Wi-Fi to a stronger connection or mobile data and try again. Login and asset sync failures can look like graphics crashes on mobile. Pro tip: if ZZZ runs fine for a bit and then starts crashing, it's heat throttling. Take a short break, remove your phone case, and let the device cool. Performance stabilizes immediately. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with your phone model and when it crashes, and I'll help you fix it.